The handstand and inversion module is for practitioners wishing to develop experience with inversion on two hands. Whether you're a complete beginner with the fear of being upside down, or an intermediate practitioner on the road to your first press handstand, stalder press, or handstand push-up, progressions are provided for a variety of levels and goals. Where necessary, we begin by building your straight line handstand from the ground up. From there, we develop to balance and basic shapes, and where requested, towards skills such as the press handstand, handstand push-up, stalder press, and a variety of dynamic elements such as walking and using the handstand as a traditional tool for low acrobatics. The handstand module is supported by specialised prehabilitation and mobility to ensure safe and consistent progression. The handstand is a rewarding movement journey of endless potential, developing not only confidence and greater body awareness and control, side effects of improved wrist, shoulder and leg mobility, an integral part of the practice. This will serve you in other movement contexts too. Using tools and methods synthesized from gymnastics and hand balancing, as well as more dynamic practices such as capoeira, we build a firm foundation from which to explore the world of inversion.